Hazrat Anas bin Malik reports that Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, "When a man is placed in his grave and his companions return, he hears the tramp of their shoes. Two angels come to him, make him sit and say, 'What you used to say about this man, Muhammad ﷺ.' So the believer says, 'I bear witness that he is a bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle.' He will be asked to look at his abode in hell. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in lieu of which, has granted you an abode in paradise. So he looks at both. Qatada tells us that his grave is expanded. Then coming back to Hazrat Anas' Hadith, he said, if he is a hypocrite or an infidel, it is said to him, 'What you used to say about this man?' He says, 'I do not know. I would say what the people used to say.' It is said to him, 'You did neither know nor understand.' He is then beaten by an iron hammer, and he shouts, which all who are near him hear, except for the jinn and human beings." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1374.